So hey guys, today's video I'm going to share details on how to participate in ROAM app airdrop. This video will be a full tutorial how to register, how to earn points, and how even to withdraw your ROAM to any exchange, especially Bitget or OKX or Bybit. So the first thing is to download the app. All the links will be in the description. The link to withdraw, to download, and invitation code. So make sure to use that invitation code so that you can also benefit. So the first thing is to turn on your location after you download the app. So the second thing, click here on Wi-Fi network, connect your network. If you don't have your Wi-Fi network, click on explore. Click on, just go outside and click on explore. Go outside, you'll be able to see how many people have Wi-Fi. Let me just unzoom. You'll be able to see how many people, this part will show you uh how many people have that Wi-Fi. If you click on it, you'll be able to get access to the password, Wi-Fi, and the username. So go connect, and if you connect your Wi-Fi, just click on check-in. This is the first thing to actually earn points. Click on check-in, go connect to other Wi-Fi's and check in. It's very simple. Just click on check-in. Processing. You just click sign in. You have received a sticker. You can burn this sticker also and get ROAM tokens. Click on got it. Also guys, you can choose between to have 10 ROAM points or 5 eSIM data credit. So if you are not part of the US or those who use eSIM, you can just click on points. You'll burn this point for airdrop. Click 10 ROAM points. You can see you have received 10, and that is. So the next step, if you this is your first time using this project, what you want to do is click here, go to quest, click on quest. When you click on quest, you'll be able to see quests that you can do and complete. You can see welcome gift. You can claim welcome gift. You can claim also the ROAM eSIM data. They also have points. You can also get into the top 10 of weekly checking leaderboard. You can also invite your friends. You can see I've already invited my friends, so I'll claim these points. Also, you can share to earn, check in and share rewards. You can do so many things on the quest. So after doing all that, now if you do this every day, you'll see your, if you want to see your points, click on my points and you'll see your points. You can see your points here. My point balance is 1961 and the points that I can burn for now is 1850. If you click on my stickers, you'll see my stickers here. I have stickers and also I can burn them. So claim every day so that you can be able to have a lot of points so that you can burn. So now let's go to those who have points. So those who have points and want to burn those points to ROAM tokens. Remember, ROAM token is already listed on major exchanges. So what you need to do is click on point burns. Click on point burns. If you click on point burn, you'll be able to burn your points to real tokens so that you can withdraw those tokens to your preferred exchange. So when you come to this part, there are 4 mining burning pools, and 2 burning pools are for us community, and there is this one that called miner burning pool. Miner burning pool is for those who are using node to run node and help with the project. So let's go to general burning pool. General burning pool is for everyone to burn you can just burn and receive tokens, but I would not advise you to burn with this general burning pool. You can see 682 points goes for 1 ROM. So what you need to do is come here to stickers burning pool. Click on stickers burning pro. When you click on sticker burning pool, you'll be able to see that this one you can burn for 459 points for 1 ROM token. So currently 1 ROM is worth 0.22. So if you get 200 ROM points, that's approximately $45. So, and you can do this, the airdrop will end, it will take a long time before it ends. So that's how you burn. So after burning your points, let's come to the part of withdrawing. So you have already burned your points, so your tokens will be on to earn. Click on earn. When you click on earn, you'll be able to see your tokens. So let me click on earn. You'll be able to see your tokens here. Let's say you have 200 or 100 or 10 or 20, whatever tokens you have. So there are two steps you can withdraw with. Just click on withdraw. Deposit to Web3 wallet. So if you don't know how to deposit on Web3 wallet, I have done a video showing you how to go get your Solana address and click on deposit to Web3 wallet. I will leave the video in the description so that you can be able to see how to withdraw your ROM tokens to Web3 wallet. It is very easy and it only requires 2 ROMs or 1 ROM and 1.5 ROM to withdraw. It's very fast and this is the best method. So when you click on history, I can show you this project is real. As you can see, I have received so many ROMs, deposited. I have withdrawn so many ROMs. You can see I have withdrawn some ROMs here worth some few dollars. You can still do this. This is very simple airdrop. And guys, let me go. This is all you can do. So you claim points, you burn them, and withdraw. You join this challenge community challenges and other airdrops. You can go check into other Wi-Fi. Not only yours, you can just go when you are working, connect to other Wi-Fi check-ins. Just enjoy the app, and it's very easy. So let me show you a just pick of the price of ROM token. You can see the price of ROM. It's currently performing very well. If we click on weekly ranking, so the project listed at $1, it went all down to around 0.16. Now currently it's going up, you can see guys. So the next target, I think it will be up to 0.34. So guys, make sure to all the links are in the description. Join this project, participate every day. You can decide to ban on December or even November. Just keep your points, just keep on claiming. You might this project might even reach up to $1, and you can even burn even 50 ROMs for $50. So make sure to join this project and leave a comment on which problem you are facing on the ROM app so that I can help you. So goodbye for now.